Our world is presently facing lots of environmental problems nowadays, such as
climate change, global warming,
water pollution, deforestation, and many more.
We are very glad to have the opportunity to join this year's competition of Convent Asia 2018 with the theme Clean Rivers and Green Mountains. We are very proud to present our project name,
NEX Mission Possible. Our group have decided to do this project because our school ASC is located along the Chao Phraya River, the longest river in Thailand. My school is next to one of the most popular piers in Bangkok, that is the Oriental Pier. That is one big problem to this place. You will always see floating bottles of water and water lilies around. That's why we came up to this project. We want to help to make our surrounding and the river clean. We are now going to show you how this project works.
First, we are going to put this part of the machine to collect the bottles and water lilies from the river. We need to use this remote to control the machine. After collecting the bottles and water lilies, it will go up and put it inside the machine.
Second, the machine belt will move to push the bottle and water lilies to be segregated. As the machine belt is moving, the water lilies and the bottles will pass the sensor. The sensor will detect and help in segregating the bottle from the water lilies.
Third, one part of the machine will push the bottles to the other side and will be dropped in the basket. After 6 seconds, the machine belt will continue moving to drop the water lilies in the box to become a fertilizer.
Finally, this machine will suck the liquid water lily fertilizer and will serve as a fertilizer. The machine will spray the fertilizer to the plants.
In addition to this, we have also come up with this tiny and amazing car that will help in planting seedlings. We have decided to do this as we have experience doing the tree planting in the mangrove forest. This is how it works. The car will move.
We would like to help make the mangrove forest green as it serves as a home to a large variety of fish, crab, shrimp, mollusk species. It will also help to hold the soil together.
There are only two things in this world to make us relax.
First is to see the green mountains and to see the clean rivers.
No water, no life. No blue, no green.